Hey yo, what's up, Throw Gold? Where are we at today? Oh shit, who's here today? Oh, the boys! Ah, the boys. And special guest, Anthony Hernandez.
Black horse son, won't you come?
Today's vlog, we getting Sandy.
What's up, Peyton?
Yeah, what's up? First ride.
How are you feeling about Iron Gwazi? Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
What about you, Quentin? Addison, ready? I'm ready. I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Did I stop recording? No.
Yeah.
Oh wait. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm not ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Now give me the other way. How are you doing that? Are you gonna ask me?
Hey. Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Hi, my name is Snapple.
Zach.
Okay, Izzy, we're almost at the front of the line. How are you feeling? Sandy! How are you feeling, Addison? Ew. Okay, Georgiana, how are you feeling? I'm feeling great. Are you ready to get Sandy? So Sandy. Show us how Sandy you're gonna get. Oh. How Sandy are you gonna get? Hey! Are you excited? We're almost at the front of the ride. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good. I'm ready!
What about you, Louis?
I'm ready!
What about you, Jake?
I'm ready.
What about you, Mikey?
I need a poop. Yo!
Alejandro, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Feeling
Are
great.
you excited for Iron Gwazi?
I'm feeling really excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Anthony, how are you feeling?
Great.
Are you excited? Is this your first time?
I don't know.
Are you excited?
I don't know.
Are we gonna get Sandy?
I don't know. Are you gonna get clashy? Like what the fuck?
I mean, let me ask the audience. All right, Louis, we're on the line for Shikra. How faded are you?
3, 2, 1.
How faded are you?
I think I'm faded.
All right, guys, we're going on Shikra, second bite of the night. How are you feeling? Sandy! Sandy! Sandy!
I forgot. No, classy!
What the fuck? That was so nasty. What does that even mean? How was howl-o-scream?
Sandy!
How was howl-o-scream? How was howl-o-scream, Zach? How was howl-o-scream, guys? How was howl-o-scream?
It was quite intelligent. It was quite fun.
How was howl-o-scream, Jake?
Sorry.
In the morning, I got breakfast on my mind.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Busch Gardens is officially over. And we're in the car right now, and it's Alejandra's birthday. Yes!
Where the fuck your clitoris at?
Yeah, so we had a fun night. We ate breakfast. We ate some food. It was super busted. Breakfast. Megan, how do you feel now that it's over?
so happy and excited.
Excited for the future?
Yeah.
What about you, Izzy?
I'm so excited
For what?
for what's to come.
Aww. How do you feel now that Busch Gardens is over?
Tired.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
What about you, Mikey?
I had fun.
Hey! What about you, Quentin?
I had fun.
Alright. What about you, birthday boy?
All right.
It was good. Anthony, how do you feel?
Tired. I'm very filled.
You what?
I feel very filled.
You always getting full.
Alright. My turn.
I did it with 16.
Hey guys. I actually feel pretty good. I had a lot of fun. And yeah, I'm pretty excited and yeah. Okay, you can turn off the video now. You can turn off the video now. You can turn it off now.